In this video, we're going to learn how to use Prefs to save data to the disk. We're also going to learn how to load and store a game state, so that states can be remembered between sessions. Prefs is surprisingly simple to use, yet is a very powerful tool for modders. Let's get started. Prefs is a key value storage that is very simple to use. Keys are always strings. Values can be of other types. Prefs is meant to be used like a dictionary. Unlike a regular dictionary, however, the data is saved to the disk. To create a name and try, all I have to do is type prefs name something, like Surge. I'll also create an entry called lives and set it to 5. Now let's display it. Very simple, isn't it? Since name and lives have been saved to the disk, I can remove them from the code and expect to see the same message when I run the application. Let's see. Do you see? The data has been saved. Now we'll create something more interesting. I'll load many batteries on the screen and I want their position to be saved. We'll start by creating an entity called myBattery. I have previously defined its sprite, so it's no big deal. Now we'll create the application. The batteries array will hold the objects we'll create. In the main state, I'll call createBatteries and set the state to done. Done is just an empty state. In function createBatteries, I'll create n batteries randomly and add them to the batteries array. Okay, let's test it. Now, each time I run the application, the batteries will be loaded at different points. What I want is to be able to save these points so that they will no longer be random. Okay, so how do we save the batteries? Well, each battery has a X and a Y position, so we'll have to save both values for each battery. I'll create function saveBatteries and save all the positions to prefs. We'll use key names like xpos or ypos of battery 0, 1, 2, and so on. Let's see. Conversely, function loadBatteries will load everything. In the main state, I'll create the batteries and save the state. I want to be able to load this state later. Let's see. Okay, the batteries have been saved. Now I want this state, this configuration of the screen, to be loaded whenever I open the app. Let's just call load batteries instead. You see, the batteries have been loaded. If I close the app and run it again, the state will be just the same. You see? In this video, we learned how to use Prefs to save data. Prefs is a simple key-value storage that works like a dictionary. You can use it to save simple data, like a name, a score, a lives counter, or more complex data, like a game state.